Alright guys, here's a little update on the oval window. Got some Bondo on it. I was gonna just leave it bare metal, not do the Bondo, but looking at all the angles, just wasn't gonna work out, because right where the two pieces of metal hit, this one came down the body line, and then this one just dropped off nice and tight, and I didn't like the look of that, so I wanted to try to blend the roof into the window as much as possible. So I was working on that today. Just letting this Bondo dry right now, so I can smooth it in and make it look like it's supposed to be there, rather than just a addition to the